So this building actually has a lot of history. Originally back in 1922 it opened as the Federal Reserve Bank of Boston, and it remained that until 1978, at which point the building was sold and it was turned into a hotel. Originally this building was only 5 levels, and after it was sold and became a hotel, they added 4 levels, the 6th floor, 7th, 8th, and 9th floor, which is what we have now, our sloped glass that was actually tinted. There was a couple issues that the Langham Hotel Boston needed to address. Our top 3 floors, 7, 8, and 9, are sloped glass. One of the issues was during the summer months, we'd have a massive heat load, during the hot days. One of the main problems was the fan coil units couldn't keep up with the heat load once the blackout shades were opened. There was one Friday evening when we got a hot call before we did the window tint, and when we went up to see what was going on with the room, what we found was a bride and all the bridesmaids with curling irons and hair dryers with the shades wide open, and the fan coil units just couldn't keep up with that heat load.
We ran several different analyses to determine the best return on investment as well as the best aesthetic values and what was going to give the hotel the best bang for the buck. Analogic came back with an outstanding 1.8-year return on investment. Couple that with the aesthetics from the outside of the building being enhanced and the neutral appearance from the inside looking out, really made Analogic a no-brainer. The biggest challenge was probably the engineering of getting the room set up. The staff really worked well to make sure that we had what we needed and we completed what we needed to do to minimize any disruption.
We were looking to not only see savings during the summer when we're trying to reduce the heat load coming into the building, but also during the winter when we're trying to keep our electric heat into the building.
We established that VEP35, Analogic VEP35, would be the obvious choice. It has outstanding solar heat gain reduction properties as well as an emissivity value that's unmatched in the industry. It truly is an all-season window film that's going to help them save money year-round.
So we've had a number of benefits after installing the Analogic 35, one of them obviously being alleviating operational issues with our guests. After putting the tint in, we drastically reduced, actually eliminated our heat calls during the summer. Now that we've installed the Analogic 35, the fan coil units actually are able to pull down to temp and then shut off for a number of hours, if not longer, which is ideal. Sustainability is one of our big goals here. We're actually EarthCheck Silver certified currently and actually going for our gold. So one of our big pushes was to try to take advantage of some of the rebates from NSTAR. And I'm happy to say that the Windows Tint project, we were able to establish a rebate from NSTAR, which was actually the first rebate for window tint in Massachusetts.
One of the most gratifying things about this project is that the end user is thrilled with the product. You can't ask for anything more than a happy customer, and we're thrilled that the film performs and does what we said it was going to do.